Hi everybody, just to let you know that this vlog that's coming out this week has got Jade, Josh and Tiana out camping, and I'm on the jet ski trying to catch some squid, and so we're going to show you a bit of both as the vlog goes on. Hope you enjoy it. Until then, happy fishing guys, thanks. Got all my rods set up in the back. I just put some new bungee cords on because the other ones are getting a bit old. Look, I've never had a rod fall out, but you know, just as a precaution. Don't really want them to, so they're all new. Even got one for the neck because sometimes it catches the wind and the wave at the same time. So, but otherwise, we're raring to go. So, see you in the morning. Good morning. Well, we're here at the launching area. We're ready to go. Got it ready last night. Hi guys, I'm at the spot. And it looks pretty dandy. Water looks nice. I'm gonna go for squid today because we've got a bit of fish and I can't eat fish, so I'm gonna go for squid so I can get some manjari for tonight or lunch, depends on how quick I can get home. So anyway, I'll take it with us and just see what we get today. Hopefully we get some squid. Over and out.
Mischief, boy! Mr. Drifter. Angled boy.
today. Pretty big one, I think. About time. Big dog. Let's pull the jet ski around. So I'm fishing in 17 metres of water at the moment. Trying to get some clear water because the place is quite dirty. It was like it's big, started off pretty small and then sort of dreary, so I don't know. Yellow banana, eh? Look at that. That's a big dog. Well, at least I got some dinner. Alright. Oh well. To the next one. Nice.
What's going on here, Tiana? He's a little bit bogged, I think.
On again. It's not a very big one, but it's, you know, it's alrighty. It's my meat. Meat. Oh, that's good. I just got into it. Well, today, not much wind, but I do what we can do. See if I can get the squid. I'll keep you informed anyway. Wind's just come up, so I'm going to punch back. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep the channel going. Please subscribe, share it around, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so every week our episode will be coming out every week. Take care. Until then, happy fishing.
Oh, catching good. Where'd you catch the pig?
Oh, shot him on the way down here.
Where'd you catch the pig, mate?
Oh, just outside Narracombe. Flying off.
Got a knife?
What are you going to do with it?
Eat it.
Yum yum.
struggle. Well, back home and just feeding little doggies some to eat. Hey, like them muleys, don't you boys, hey? Oh yeah. Here, Jet. Good boys. And the kids just got back from a camping trip over the weekend, but it got really windy as it is now. I've just got back from squid fishing on the jet ski. So just another weekend on the water. Hey, or near the water, you know. Anyway, I'll feed these dogs. Here, one more. Here you go, buddies. Here you go, Jenny, Swinny. Yeah. Alright, anyway, go and do the clean up thing. We'll see you next time. Over and out. So I've just finished washing my jet ski. This is how I get my water out of the gunnels.
My balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.